Hello, it's Melissa Johnston-Cota here again, Gen Chem teacher, IB Chem teacher. The purpose of this video is to show you how to get yourself enrolled in Pivot. Pivot is going to be our simulation software that you're going to use to do some lab investigations. It's the second best way to do chemistry. The first best way would be you being here and being in the lab, but this is the best alternative the science department has come up with for you while you are remote learning. So the first thing you're going to do here is go to pivotinteractives.com, and I will put a link to that website on the page in Schoology. And then you're going to see something called Join Class. And it's a lot like what you've done before, probably with other courses. You will get a class key. This is the class key for, I believe, IB Chemistry. You're going to type that in and hit continue. And hit confirm. And then it's going to ask you to sign up. And you're going to put your first name, last name. Please use your school email here. Please confirm your school email here. Make up a password and confirm it, and try to remember that password. Maybe you need to write that down in a notebook somewhere. And I will show you what you should see after you log in. So as I'm logging in here, when you get to Pivot, you will be in My Classes. And I have 3 classes here, but your first class here is going to be Gen Chem. Your second class would be IB Chem. I don't think you'll be able to see all of this. If you're in Gen Chem, that will be all you see. If you're in IB Chem, that will be all you see. And in green are the assigned labs. So when I click that, from my end, I would see that you have accessed the lab and are working on it. From your end, they will start talking you through how to perform the lab. And I will show you what one of these labs looks like. So here's an example lab that will be assigned to IB Chemistry. These Pivot Interactives always start off with the phenomenon. You will watch a video first where you will see some different things occur. You will be able to make some qualitative and quantitative observations. And then it always starts off by asking you to answer some preliminary questions. Sometimes these things ask you to sketch. And if you would like to sketch, you can do that in Google Draw, or you can do it on a piece of paper and upload the picture. And you click here to find the file to upload your picture. If you are on a Chromebook, that will just go to your drive. Then I'll scroll through and you will go to the next part of the lab. Usually it'll involve a graph. They will teach you how to make a table, and from that table make a graph. So please watch their instructions carefully so you know how to make a table and a graph on Pivot. They will give you a calculator to work from. They will show you how to graph, and then you'll do it. So it's almost as if you are performing the lab. It's a real life person doing this on video as opposed to a simulation. So the nice piece about Pivot is that there are human errors that occur that you can pick up on and comment on. You will use that data to make qualitative, quantitative observations and finalizing your results. Every single one of these is different. This is just an example that's going to be used for IB Chemistry. So again, it's not going to take place of you being in the chemistry lab, but it is a good option so we can give you at least a taste of what chemistry should be like. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact your instructor, and have a good day.